This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 21G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features a graphite interior, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, awning, slide-out, oven, DVD player, refrigerator, leveling jacks, air conditioning, stovetop burner, water heater, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 21G is 7,570 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.